Purnima Shrestha is a noted and courageous mountain climber from Nepal. She has already scaled many high snow-capped mountains from Himalayan nation Nepal. On April 16, 2021, she stood on the top of the Mount Annapurna first, which is 8,091 meters high from the sea level. This mountain was first scaled by French mountaineer Maurice Herzog on 3rd June 1950, which is 3 years before the successful climbing of the Mount Everest, which is the tallest mountain in the world. Purnima Shrestha, along with some other women from Nepal, became the first Nepali successful female climbers who scaled this mountain after 71 years of its first successful climbing. Besides Shrestha, Vice President of Nepal Mountaineering Association Maya Sherpa, Daba Yangjum Sherpa, Pasang Lamu Sherpa, Da Buti Sherpa, and Sharmila Syangtang Tamang are among the successful climbers of that moment. Shrestha, who is also a Nepal-based photojournalist, climbed Annapurna first from 7 summit treks. She scaled Mount Malaslu in 2017 and Mount Everest in 2018. She also successfully climbed Ama Dablam. The 29-year-old Shrestha was born in Arughat village of Gorkha district. Before leaving for Annapurna expedition, the Gandaki province government had supported Rs 8 lakh to Shrestha for her mission. Likewise, Annapurna Rural Municipality Magdi district also supported Rs 5 lakhs to her. After that support, on March 7, 2021, Annapurna Rural Municipality Chief Dam Bahadur Pun farewelled Shrestha and her team for Annapurna climbing. In the context of her successful Annapurna climbing, the Trekking Agencies Association of Nepal Western Regional Association Pokhara felicitated the Shrestha, including 5 other Nepali women who successfully scaled Annapurna first together. It was the day of April 19, 2021. Mountaineer Shrestha, Vice President of Nepal Mountaineering Association Maya Sherpa, Daba Yangjum Sherpa, Pasang Lamu Sherpa, Da Buti Sherpa, and Sharmila Syangtang Tamang were felicitated at the program held in Pokhara. However, Daba and Da Buti missed that felicitation program as they left for Kathmandu before being held the felicitation program. Jaroslav from Poland, who also climbed this mountain, was also felicitated at that moment. Priyanka Mangesh Mohit from India also scaled Mount Annapurna first that day to become the first Indian woman to scale one of the 10 tallest mountains in the world. This is also the first successful climbing of the spring season this year in this mountain. A total of 67 climbers scaled this mountain that day alone. Annapurna Rural Municipality Magdi, Federation of Nepali Journalists Magdi, and local people also felicitated those Nepali female climbers in Magdi after their successful climbing. According to the Trekking Agencies Association of Nepal Western Regional Association Pokhara Chairman Sushil Raj Paurel, his organization felicitated those climbers for their achievements that created history in the sector of mountaineering of Nepal. The Annapurna First is situated in Annapurna Rural Municipality, Ward number 4 of Nachang in Magdi district. In the context of felicitation, Chief Guest and Annapurna Rural Municipality Chief Dam Bahadur Pun Bimal Kandel, an officer from Nepal Tourism Board Pokhara, Domestic Tourism Restoration Committee Gandaki Coordinator Agni Kandel, Pokhara Tourism Council Chairman Gopi Bahadur Bhattarai, climber duo Purnima and Maya shared their views and experiences during the program. Right after her Annapurna summit, Purnima tried to scale the 7th highest peak Mount Dhaulagiri, but this time the mission could not be successful due to bad weather conditions. Posting video and text message on her Twitter account, Purnima writes, "Hello everyone, I am back to Kathmandu, safe and sound. Dhaulagiri was a quick decision right after the successful summit of Mount Annapurna first. I was physically strong and mentally confident for this 8,000 meter as well. We went till camp second and could not go further due to so many reasons, mostly due to weather conditions and the COVID-19 situation. Few of our friends tested positive at the base camp and we lacked enough manpower. While it continued to snow for days and nights, there is always a next time."